Study of social class system. Objectives of learning. In brief, meaning of social classes, definition of social classes, theories of social class, nature of social classes, the criteria of class distinctions, then functions of social classes. Detail going on. Social class. In brief, a social class is a set of concepts in the social science and political theory is a models of social stratification which occurs in class society in which people are grouped into a set of hierarchical social categories, the most common being the upper, middle, lower classes. Decrease in significance ascribed to hierarchy characteristics, an increase in the significance of wealth and income as indicators of position. It is social hierarchy. Meaning of social class. Social classes are economic or cultural arrangement of groups in society. Can you define social classes? Social class is one or two or more broad groups of individuals who are ranked by the members of community in socially superior and inferior position according to Ogburn. Theories of social class. Two models, one Marxian model is Marxist theory, second the common three-stratum model. Detail going on. First, Marxist theory. Labor and ruler are two basic class divisions be obligated to the fundamental economic structure of work and property. A class adds a common relationship to the means of production. Second, common three-stratum model. First, upper class, second, middle class, three, low class. First, detail about upper class. The upper class is the social class composed of those who are rich, well born, powerful, or a combination of those. They usually the greatest political power. In some countries, wealth alone is sufficient to allow entry into the upper class. In others, only people who are born or marry into certain aristocratic bloodlines are considered members of the upper class, and those who gain greater wealth through commercial activity are looked down upon by the aristocracy. Second, middle class. Middle class is the most contrasted of the three categories. The broad group of people in contemporary society who fall socio-economically between the lower and upper classes. One example of the contrast of this term is that in the United States, middle class is applied very broadly and includes people who would elsewhere be considered working class. Middle class workers are sometimes called white collar workers. 3. Low classes. Low class, occasionally described as working class, are those employed in low paying wage job with very little economic security. The term low class also refers to person with low income. The working class is sometimes separated into those who are employed but lacking financial security and an underclass, those who are long-term unemployed or homeless, especially these receiving welfare from the state. Nature of social stratification. One, universality. 2, class is an economic group. 3, class is a status group. 4, feeling of class consciousness. 5, an achieved pattern. 6, mutually dependent. 7, hierarchical gradation. 8, prestige dimension. 9, stability. 10, open to social mobility. 11, mode of living. 12, feeling of equality. 13, maintain similar standards. 14, feeling of inferiority. 15, feeling of superiority. Detail going on. First, universality. A class is a universal phenomenon. The class system is found in almost all the modern complex societies of the world. Second, class is a economic group. Economic factors has been widely accepted as the principal basis for the formation of class. It does not mean that other factors such as intellectual capability, education, occupation, etc. are not responsible for class formation. It only indicates that in modern societies, economic factors play a crucial role in the formation of classes and subclasses. 3. Class is a status group. Status is the basic criterion of social class. In other words, class is a status group. In the words of McLever, it is the sense of status sustained by economic, political power and by the distinctive modes of life and cultural expressions corresponding to them. 4. Feeling of class consciousness. This is one of the fundamental reasons of the origin of class. Class consciousness signifies that every social class is aware of its social prestige relative to other social classes. This feeling determines the behavior of the members of different social classes. Feeling of class consciousness is experienced among the members of particular class. 5. An achieved pattern. So far as class system is concerned, status is achieved and not ascribed like the caste. Several factors like income, wealth, occupation, education, lifestyle, etc. go a long way in determining the class of an individual. 6. Mutually dependent. The smooth functioning of the society depends on the cooperation among various social classes. Hence, all social classes interact with one another in one form or the other, keeping social stability and social prosperity in view. 7. Hierarchical gradation. Society is composed of innumerable social classes. Hence, it is quite natural that we see a whole spectrum of hierarchical gradation of these social classes. 8. Prestige dimension. The relative position of the class in the social scale is determined by the degree of prestige attached to the status. Thus, the prestige enjoyed by a professor is higher than that of a research assistant. 9. Stability. A class is a relatively stable group. It is not short-lived like crowd or mob. However, the stability element of a class is vitally affected under certain extraordinary situations such as crisis in the social, economic and political spheres, wars, revolutions, etc. 10. Open to social mobility. A social class is an open group. It believes in vertical mobility. In the class system, upward or downward movement of individuals in the social hierarchy. This should not be constructed to mean that there is no resistance at all in the class system, but the resistance to social mobility is very mild. 11. Mode of living. Each class has its lifestyle. Lifestyle includes the dress pattern, the type of house, and the social environment where the members live, the means of recreation and resorts to, the circle of friendship. One's mode of conveyance and communication, one's way of spending money, etc. Differences in classes are expressed in different lifestyles. 12. Feeling of equality. Similar status people, for example, same economic status, same educational status, they feel equal. 13. Maintain similar standards. Same class people having similar culture, which influence equal standards of living. 14. Feeling of inferiority. Low class people experiencing inferiority complex. They are difficult to communicate with high class people due to different culture and status. 15. Feeling of superiority. High class people experiencing superiority complex. They do not like to interact with low class people due to high standard of living and status. Development of classes. First, marked differences in the constituent parts of population. Second, little communication and enlightenment. Third, a slow rate of social change. The criteria of class distinctions. One, the criteria of birth. Two, criteria of wealth. Three, criteria of occupation. Four, criterion of poverty. Five, criterion of education. Six, criterion of prestige. Detail going on. First, criteria of wealth detail. Upper, middle, lower classes. Possession of substantial amounts of wealth is the main characteristics distinguishing the upper class from other class groups in society. Persons having more wealth and income generally have high social position and respect in society. Wealth and income, money, though necessary for upper class position, yet one's class position is not directly proportional to his income. Second, criterion of occupation. Different types of work. Occupation is an exceedingly important aspect of social class, and as such it is another determinant of class status. It is a well-known fact that some kinds of work are more honorable than others. Example, doctors, engineers, administrators, professors, and lawyers hold a higher position than a car mechanic or manual worker. 3. Criterion of polity. Government divide the society for governing or political purposes. Four, criterion of education. There is a close reciprocal relationship between social class and education. To get a high education, one needs money plus motivation. Upper class children already have money for the finest schools and colleges. They also have family tradition and social encouragement. One's amount and kind of education affects the class rank he will secure. Thus, education is one of the main levels of a means of social class. Five, criterion of prestige. It refers to the respect of admiration with which an occupation is regarded by society. Prestige is independent of the particular person who occupies a job. Sociologists have tried to assign prestige ranking to various occupations. Besides wealth, occupation and education, there are certain other criteria which help a person to attain higher social status in this society. The functions of social classes. First function, simplification, simplifying the society to promote welfare. Two, motivation, stimulate the people for achievement. Three, coordination, integrate the people to peace and integrity. Thank you. Have a nice day.